Welcome to this video. In it, I'm going to show you how to enjoy Zobo and safely breastfeed your baby. You'll learn tips and tricks for breastfeeding moms that will make the process easier and more enjoyable. What are the benefits of breastfeeding? Breastfeeding offers numerous benefits for both mother and baby. From providing essential nutrition to protecting against illnesses, the potential advantages of breastfeeding are immense. For babies, breast milk is a natural source of all the necessary vitamins and minerals for strong growth and development. It also contains antibodies that can help protect against colds, ear infections, allergies, and other illnesses. Plus, studies have shown that children who are exclusively breastfed tend to have higher risks than those who are not. For mothers, breastfeeding offers several health benefits as well. Women who breastfeed have increased production of hormones, which can help them return to their pre-pregnancy weight faster and reduce their risk of developing postpartum depression or other mood disorders. Breastfeeding can also reduce the risk of some types of cancer, decrease the risk of osteoporosis, and reduce the mother's risk of developing type 2 diabetes. How can I make breastfeeding more comfortable for myself and my baby? Breastfeeding can be a wonderful bonding experience between mother and baby, but it doesn't always come easily. Here are some tips to make nursing more comfortable. 1. Use pillows to support yourself and the baby in your preferred position. This will help relieve strain on your arms, back, and neck while you nurse. 2. Wear comfortable clothing that won't ride up or get in the way of latching on correctly. A good bra with snap-down cups is essential for easy access during feeding sessions. 3. Look into breastfeeding aids such as nipple shields and breast pumps to make feedings easier for you both. Nipple shields protect sore nipples from further irritation, while pumps can help express milk and decrease nipple confusion. 4. Stay hydrated and eat healthy snacks while nursing to keep your energy levels up. You should also avoid caffeine, alcohol, and smoking so that your breast milk is as healthy as possible for your baby. 5. Know when to ask for help from a lactation consultant or doctor if you're having trouble with latching on correctly or need advice about nutrition for nursing mothers. It's important to know that the success of breastfeeding depends on both the mother and baby being comfortable during feedings. What are the potential risks associated with breastfeeding? There are some potential risks associated with breastfeeding, although the benefits far outweigh them. The most common risk is due to the transmission of infections from mother to baby. These can be passed through breast milk, but they can also be transmitted via saliva when breastfeeding babies don't latch correctly or if a mom has an open wound on her nipple. In addition, there is a risk of dehydration or malnutrition if mothers do not replace lost fluids and nutrients while breastfeeding. Finally, in rare cases, potentially harmful substances can pass through breast milk and into the infant's system. For example, excessive alcohol consumption by a nursing mother may result in adverse health effects for her child. What should I do if I have trouble producing enough milk? If you're having difficulty producing enough milk, the first step should be to talk to your healthcare provider or a lactation consultant. They can provide advice and assistance on how to increase your milk supply, such as dietary modifications and supplements. Additionally, they can suggest different techniques for positioning and latching that may help improve milk transfer. If necessary, they may also recommend medications or galactagogues medications that stimulate a mother's production of breast milk. Other tips for increasing milk supply include ensuring that baby is positioned correctly when breastfeeding, getting support from other mothers who have experienced similar problems, continuing breastfeeding regularly even if there is not much milk coming out at first, and pumping after feeds. What do I need to know about proper latching techniques? Proper latching techniques are important for a successful breastfeeding experience. To ensure your baby is able to latch correctly, make sure they have an open mouth with their tongue down and the nipple is placed far back in their mouth. It helps if you have support when positioning your baby. Use pillows or nursing cushions to help them get comfortable. Once your baby has latched, it's also important to check that their chin is against your breast and their lips are flanged outward. If everything looks good, continue feeding until your baby releases the latch on their own. If you are having trouble getting them to latch properly, try different positions or seek help from a certified lactation consultant. What are some common challenges that breastfeeding moms face? Common challenges that breastfeeding moms face include low milk production, difficulty latching and positioning the baby correctly, pain while breastfeeding, time management issues due to having to feed throughout the day, and feeling overwhelmed or anxious about nursing. Many new moms also struggle with learning how to use a breast pump and storing their express milk safely. It's important for mothers to have access to resources such as lactation consultants who can help manage these types of issues. Additionally, talking with other experienced mothers can provide support and advice on successful breastfeeding strategies. Another challenge that many breastfeeding moms face is finding ways to incorporate Zobo into their daily routine without compromising the quality of their breast milk supply. Zobo is a herbal tea made from dried hibiscus flowers, and it has long been used in the Middle East as a natural remedy to boost milk production. However, there is not enough evidence to determine whether Zobo tea is safe while breastfeeding, which can make mothers feel uncertain about drinking it. Breastfeeding is a wonderful way to bond with your baby and provide them with the nutrition they need. We hope this video has provided you with some helpful tips on how to enjoy Zobo while breastfeeding safely. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to comment below or reach out for help from an IBCLC certified lactation consultant. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe so that we can keep providing valuable content like this. Thanks again for watching and stay safe.